Great Salt Lake Effect. To begin, you need a lake with relatively warm water, about 16 degrees Celsius difference between the lake surface and 700 MB to create atmospheric instability. Your lake water needs to be warmer than the land which surrounds it. This effect is more common during the nighttime as the sun is not there to heat the land, but the water retains much of the heat it absorbed throughout the day. Next, a front of cold air washes over the surface of the lake and is warmed by the water, creating a warm air mass which rises above the colder winds below it, cooling as it expands outwards. The air molecules begin to gather dust and ice particles, condensing into narrow bands of clouds that form over the center of the lake. Said lake needs to be around 100 kilometers in order for the clouds to form properly. The winds which originally helped to form the clouds will push the band out across the lake and over the valley, creating a high probabilistic chance of precipitation. This is called convergence, as the clouds are fueled by the winds over the lake. In return, as some of the air cools and descends during precipitation, the winds can return back to the lake and re-enter the cycle in divergence in order to keep the process alive. This can result in lake effect snow lasting 4 hours and even days at a time.